Ariel Pagtalonia Manalo, born February 12, 1966, known professionally as Jose Manalo, is a Filipino actor, director, and comedian best known for appearing regularly on the noontime variety show Eat Bulaga. On GMA Network and now on TV5, he is also known for his stand-up performances. Manalo married his estranged wife Ana Lynn Santos, who died at the age of 54 in January 2022. She is survived by their children Mickey, a medical doctor, Benj Manalo married to lovely Abella, Sherwin Nico, an actor, AI, an accounts manager, and Colin, a musician. On December 2nd, 2024, Manalo became engaged to babe dancer Jean Moranin. They married on December 17th. Manalo first appeared in the children's educational show Boyoyong in 1990. He also appeared in the TV soap opera series Valiente in 1992 as one of its supporting characters. He later started working behind the scenes as a production assistant on Eat Bulaga. He then became a comedian and with his friend Whaley Bayola, who was also entering show business around the same time, and they later became a comic duo. Manalo also appeared in several sitcoms on GMA Network like Daddy Dee Doo Doo and Full House, both starring Vic Sato. In 2010, Manalo returned to TV5 for his former sitcom, My Darling a Swung with Vic Sato and Richie Reyes, also known as Richie Dorsey. This was his second television program on TV5. In 2011, Manalo, along with his comedic partner Bayola, headlined his own TV5 comedy show, The Jose and Whaley Show, starring Vic Sato and also Jimmy Santos. Manalo also worked with Sato in films like Pack, My Dr. Quack, and the MMFF film entry Enteng NG Inamo. In 2023, Manalo and other co-hosts of Eat Bulaga left Tape, Inc., following the company's feud with Tito Sato, Vic Sato, and Joey De Leon. Together, collectively known as the Legit Debarkids, moved to TV5 to host a new program entitled EAT, later renamed as Eat Bulaga. On January 6, 2024, in 2012, Jose Manalo's wife Annalyn lodged a complaint against the comedian for verbal and emotional abuse. In her affidavit, she claimed that the abuse started in 2011. Manalo denied the charges of abuse and also his wife's accusations of family abandonment and child neglect. In his official statement, Manalo asserted that he provided support, financial or otherwise, to his children. In late 2013, however, Manalo's daughter filed a case of violation against her father for failure to provide financial support, which caused her to drop out of school. The following year, his daughter subsequently attempted suicide, citing her family problems and mainly blaming her father as the reason. Manalo had also refuted these allegations by his daughter. In 2022, the Court of Appeals absolved Manalo from civil liability arising from his wife Annalyn's 50 million pesos debt to businessman Froilan Clemente Jr. It nullified the compromise agreement since Manalo is not part thereof. Jose Manalo and former dancer Mergine Moranin have just tied the knot. The couple was married in a beach wedding ceremony held on December 17, 2024 at Shangri-La, Boracay. The couple's family and friends attended the beach wedding, including Ryan Agoncillo, Judy Ann Santos, Vic Sato, Pauline Luna, Tito Sato, Helen Gamboa, Joey De Leon, Liza Dino, Ice Segura, Riza May Dizon, Maine Mendoza, Arjo Atade, Whaley Bayola, Chura Sato, Paula Balestros, and Alan Kay. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.